Seeing a red flashing LOS light on your Fiber ONT modem? Don't panic. This is actually one of the most common fiber internet problems. And in most cases, you can fix it yourself without waiting days for a technician. Here's what that red light actually means and exactly what to do about it. Let's get started. First, let's decode that acronym. LOS stands for loss of signal. When it's solid red, your ONT is powered on, but getting no light signal from the fiber network. When it's flashing red, which is what you're seeing, that means the signal is weak, intermittent, or unstable. Step 1. Inspect the fiber optic cable. Follow the thin yellow or white cable from your ONT back to where it enters your home. Look for any tight bends, pinch points from furniture, or chew marks if you have pets. If you find damage, do not try to splice it yourself. Fiber requires special tools. Step 2. Check the connections. Unplug and replug the fiber cable at both ends, the ONT side and the wall jack side. You should feel and hear a small click when it's fully seated. While it's unplugged, check for dust. Fiber connections are incredibly sensitive to dirt. Even a tiny speck of dust can block the laser signal. Use compressed air or a dedicated fiber cleaning pen if you have one. Never use your mouth to blow into it. Moisture is even worse than dust. LOS light should turn off and PON light turns solid green. That means problem fixed. If LOS light's still flashing red, follow next steps. Step 3. Perform a full power cycle. Unplug your ONT from power, not just turning off a switch. Wait a full 60 seconds. This allows internal capacitors to drain completely. Then plug it back in. The lights will go through a startup sequence. The LOS light should stop flashing after 1 to 3 minutes. If it's still flashing red after 5 minutes, move to Step 4. Step 4. Call your internet provider. If you've checked the cable, cleaned the connections, and power cycled with no change, the problem is likely outside your home. Common external issues include a broken fiber line in your neighborhood, maintenance work on the network, or even a disconnected line at the central box down the street. That's it. Hope this video helped you to fix flashing red LOS light on your Fiber ONT. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.